Hello everyone, my name is Gev. I hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome back to the channel. It's Thursday, May 7th, so let's talk capital. Alright guys, so big day, very big day for a lot of markets, but definitely a massive day for Bitcoin today guys. We're 4 days, 4 days, 3 hours guys. We're almost there, 4 days, 3 hours away from the halving here, and Bitcoin is making a massive push guys, massive push. No way to kindly put this, so let's just get right to it. The massive trend line we've been under for the better half of 2.5 years is finally looking like it's broken. Now, before I break this down for you guys, let me show you guys the trend line is the gray line. All right, we had our first touch here, January 16, 2017, which started as our trend. Our second touch comes in here on June 27, 2019. All right, you guys see how we wicked through all the way to 13.9, and then we touched again on July 10th. We wicked through. We touched again on February 11, 2020, where we actually closed above the trend line for 1, 2, 3 days before on the fourth day collapsing under and touching again on February 18, 2020, collapsing down, and then our third and final touch marking a triple top at the trend line on February 23rd, which sent us down to 3,800. All right, and we're back, with a vengeance here. As you guys can tell, guys, this if we get a close of this candle in this price range in the 9,800, 9,900 range, all right, if we can get this close in 3 hours and 31 minutes for the day, this is a monumental move, guys. It is huge, to say the least, to say it kindly, however you guys want me to put this. This candle close in the current situation is huge. Not only are we closing above this inverse hammer wick, all right, we are now giving a solid close above that level, and we have very nice volume coming in on the day too. This is going to be monumental, ladies and gentlemen. If we can get this close in 3 hours, it's literally all ifs right now. We need 3 hours of solid price action. We get this close, and the next step is looking like we either retrace to confirm the break, or we continue higher to set a new local high and then trend back down to the trend line and get a confirmation somewhere around 8,700 of the retest. All right, but as of right now, we are in a monumental moment for Bitcoin right now. This is make or break. This is for all the marbles. I'm honestly pretty nervous. I've been saying I did not expect this massive amount of move. I was expecting rejection at 8,000. So everything from 8,000 has been a gift from God to us. Anybody who holds Bitcoin, anybody who's been in this game for the past 3-4 years, guys, this is our monumental moment here. If we can get this close, I repeat, if we can get this close, we are looking sexy as hell, guys. This is gonna be the one of the most historical moments in Bitcoin history. We're gonna talk about this 3-4 years from now. All right, guys. So let's keep a close eye on this. One other great news for Bitcoin is hash rate, guys. Hash rate is holding above the 120 million mark, which is a positive news going into the halving. If we can continue the upwards movement and set a new all-time high above 136 million, we're gonna be looking great, guys. We're going to be looking great. I mean, like I said, this is a monumental day for Bitcoin. Let's hope we continue it and do not have a false breakout. All right, those are things to watch going into the rest of the day and Friday. All right, let's do a little quick general market thing. S&P 500 continuously moving up, just defying the odds, just literally not giving a shit about what's going on in the markets. We had unemployment news come out today, guys. Again, we beat the expectation. We were expecting 3 million. We got 3.16 million. Okay, so we had 169,000 more unemployment claims than expected, and the market continuously moves higher. To be honest, I was expecting this past 5 weeks. Anytime we get unemployment, market jumps. Doesn't really make much sense, but that's what it is, so that's how we play it. All right, I'm not trying to make the market move in the direction that I want to. I'm just acknowledging the direction that it wants to move in. Every time we get unemployment, it jumps. Now, big thing is tomorrow we get unemployment rate for the first time in a long time. Very curious how that moves the market. That's projected at 16%. I'm expecting 18 or 19%. We'll see how that comes in. But as of right now, S&P 500 still has the bullish bias, still looking to move higher, possibly looking at a real test of 3,000 here. All right, guys, gold is also looking at a breakout here, just like Bitcoin. Gold again trended down to, we got all the way down to 1682, and now we're seeing a very nice bounce. 1717 is where we're at right now. We're back into the 17s. This guy is looking very sketchy here. We could be looking at a head and shoulders pattern developing like this. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here. We could also be looking at a double bottom scenario, something like this, where we had a bottom here testing 1675, and then we had another one testing again. And then you could even possibly say it's a triple bottom, counting this small one in right here. Let me clean that up for you guys a little bit. But again, gold is looking very nice going into the weekly close tomorrow. So we can either look at this as a triple top, or we can look at this as triple bottom. Bottom one, bottom two, bottom three. Okay, we can look at it either way. Kind of in equilibrium right now, just trying to figure out trend and direction. A lot of it is based on the fact that the negative news is driving the S&P 500 higher. So gold is kind of confused on where it wants to move and how it wants to move. We just have to see how the trend progresses, how we develop going into the weekly close. Real quick, let's check up on Tesla too while we're here, guys. Tesla is looking like it's still trying to make its mind up whether it wants to go above 800 or stay under 700. Okay, so we're trying to figure out where we want to go. Today and tomorrow is going to be major for this guy, so we'll keep an eye on it, and we'll do another report on it tomorrow, see how everything goes. But guys, I want you guys to be very vigilantly watching Bitcoin here. If Bitcoin can manage to push higher, close here, or push higher. So if we can get a close right here or push higher, my God, this is going to be an epic move coming in. Okay, this is going to be an epic momentum swing going from bearish to bullish. As we can see on the 4-hour chart too, we're seeing massive breakout and volume too. Look at this volume spike, great volume spike, equaling to the breakout too. So we're looking fantastic, guys. As always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I'm very curious to hear your opinions on the market. And I'll be back with you guys tomorrow to do a market wrap up. So until then, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.